What do you do when God speaks clearly and then everything goes quiet? There are moments in life where you just know that God has spoken. You've prayed, you felt it, and you are certain, but then nothing changes. No doors open, no progress, no confirmation, just silence. And this is where many people struggle, not because God didn't speak, but because God did speak, but life didn't respond immediately. But what if that silence is not rejection? What if it's process? God doesn't always speak to change things immediately. He speaks to give you direction. And direction often comes long before the results come. So while you're waiting for things to change, God is actually working on you, strengthening your faith, building your character, teaching you to trust Him beyond what you can see. Because real faith is not proven when things are moving, it's proven when nothing is moving. And you still choose to trust God anyway. So if you're in a season where God has spoken, but things are still quiet, don't despair. Do not lose heart. God is not silent because He has left you. He is silent because He is working. And in time, what He promised will come to pass. If this speaks to you, I unpack this message in my book, Between the Promise and the Fulfillment. Check the link in my bio and get yourself a copy. Comment, I'm still trusting, and share this message with someone who wants to hear it. Blessings.